So I used the PSN, the gift card, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, this one
oh my god.
I can't say anything about you using her for her.
Bro, she has she heals with. So like if I get shot, I pop that, I heal.
Dude, Sean, last time I played with Jimmy,
all
fucking found out Anvil's a god.
Yeah, Anvil's fucking cracked, bro.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Hello.
How's it going?
For Monkey. I love it.
Pretty good. Okay, so here's the deal. I fucking blow donkey dick. So, I'm gonna snipe the entire game and probably hit 50 shots, and none of them are gonna kill anybody, okay? So I'm gonna have 50 assists and no downs. Just letting you know.
Out of your depth.
Her gun is so good.
I'm pushing.
I'm behind you,
I got 3 right here.
Enemy spotted.
They're in their spawn.
I'm down.
Oh, shit!
You just killed yourself, Jim. I saw that.
I did. That was amazing.
They all got up.
No way.
They're so hurt.
Oh man, that's my bad. They're
Jim, or the PB.
They're all like really hurting their spawn. Right?
Yo, go back to point. Let's just cover point.
Alright.
Just watch their flanks.
Carry me, daddy.
Lethal out.
They all see me. They're all right here.
Oh my god, my aim. He's low. 1 shot.
Oh, damn. I tried to put down my shield and it fucking got
Enemies
blocked.
are running low and reinforcements.
Hey, go into objective.
Lethal out. Down.
Oh fuck.
Vengeance is mine. Watch your step.
See them all right here. You got one with the fucking baseball bat.
They're out of reinforcement. Finish the job. Overtime. Get that objective. Utility out. I'm bleeding out here.
Right here. There's 2. Buy and land.
And this one's ours.
Watch your step.
We have 5 lives left.
Excuse me, my bad. Didn't mean to do that.
Clear hostiles. Nice and clean.
Nice, man. Sorry, I don't talk very much.
Yeah, we all got in
Pop
the
off,
zone.
brother. Just fucking pop off.
Don't worry about talking.
Bugs, you funny.
Sean, 0
Very well.
again.
Dude,
Again?
shut your fucking mouth.
Dude, come on. I dropped more. I picked up a sniper and dropped more than that. Come on.
Dude, I don't care, okay? God, boys, get off of my cock, please.
Don't worry. Just hop on our backs. We'll carry.
At least you didn't say cock, okay? We're good.
Oh god, John. Dude, your brain is just going right there all the time.
Dude, I've had like 7 beers already tonight, so...
Okay. So you're in the cock zone, huh?
Yes, I'm in the cock phase right now.
See y'all.
Give me a little while and I'll be out of the cock.
Not done.
See, look at that. Look at that right there. Did you see that? Yeah, you didn't see that.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't see that either. Yeah.
They can't see anything because you're goddamn.
They all die? Oh, I hear them flank
Oh
out.
no, behind. Good shit.
Oh, I'm nasty, bro. Oh, they're rezzing.
This is mine.
I'm coming behind them.
Me and Jimmy are just...
How do you miss a melee?
Whoa. Okay. Still Lancer back here.
Oh,
Lancer
God,
coming up,
I'm
Sean.
freaking nasty.
Yep, Lancer just bent me over
Keep up the
and
pressure.
shoved her dick in.
Sounds like you liked it.
I did not.
Dude,
Go with
what?
the baseball
What was
bat.
that?
I don't know how I got her, but I got her. She's getting rezzed.
How'd she get res? How'd she get res, bro? She was at literally one health.
Same.
She's behind car again, watch out. Anvil, she's behind that car on point.
Alright. Behind right here.
I can't do that.
Hey, Ronan right here.
Hey, Bugs, I got you in a minute. Where'd he go? He's right
To your
here.
right, Jimmy.
Watch your step.
Yep.
Ronan's
Dude,
hurt.
alright, I have two downs.
Hey, Bugs, let me know this is better.
Ronan's still hurt.
Sean, I picked up your sniper. How do you feel about that?
Oh, we're behind.
Watch your step.
Running's dead.
Well, that's mine. Oh,
I'm not
one hallway. I got freaking trapped by a Ronin.
Ronan's back up.
There's one in hallway, it's Dahlia.
All that's left. No more reinforcements available.
Oh god, dude, my
You have
bird's
a
going
bird?
off.
No more
My bird's
reinforcements.
going off, man. My bird's going off, man.
Birds are
Down running.
One's a,
45 seconds.
god, dude, I got clapped.
watch your
Is
step.
that gonna make it?
We need a.
What the fuck?
We fucking need objective.
Oh god.
30 seconds. Finish the mission.
Hey, I got Lancer. We traded.
That was
over
that
there.
was nice.
Behind us, behind us.
Is
We
mine.
Yep, big time behind.
gotta make sure we gotta make sure we down them.
You gotta
Oh,
get me
how are they
up
all
or
down?
something. Get someone
It's
up.
just-
Don't get me up. Yeah, come back and get me.
It's just that one behind.
This day.
Or
There's
remaining.
only two. There's Dahlia.
Watch your
Ronan.
step.
Let's see this sweaty sweat go sweaty.
Come on, sweaty sweat. Go sweat.
Ooh.
Oh my
baby.
god.
Sean, that's how
No, I'm
it's done.
stupid,
Right?
I'm stupid, I'm
no,
stupid.
That's not how it's done.
they're healing.
I know,
think
I
she's
know.
rezzed.
Tell
Yeah,
the damn
bird.
bird to shut the fuck up.
No, the bird's encouraged, bro. Oh,
I know, but I wanna watch, dude. Fuck.
Watch your step.
I rolled! I rolled!
Damn. Well, I mean,
Tell,
fuck.
tell the bird I'm
all
sorry.
hopping on
I
his
didn't mean
back.
it. I just wanted to watch.
He's so hyper, man.
So is it quick scopes? What? How do you like? I've been hard scoping this bitch.
Yeah,
So,
just
is this a
hardscope
quick scope?
corners and always aim near the head. Dude, this
well,
bird
I
is
got that.
Jesus.
But are you like
Controller,
supposed to
It's kind of.
quick scope with it? Like,
I mean, if you can, it just need practice. Am I even gonna make this? Oh, dude, I barely made it to the freaking the map.
do you get more?
Sean,
Like,
it's more about the
aim assist?
flick. It's more about the flick than anything.
Okay.
You playing on PC or with the
I'll just-
controller?
Watch your step.
Controller.
Yeah, same here. Most people play with PC though.
I'm playing on PC right now.
I got a bud who mains Phantom with PC. They're on point. They're getting poisoned, and he's crazy with Phantom. Dude, they're still getting poisoned like crazy right now. I'm flanking. They're probably expecting this, so.
Yeah, there's two right here, Lancer and Ronan. Lancer's right here. Lancer's so hurt. Lancer's so hurt.
They're
Good
flanking.
ass flank.
Suffer and break.
Dude, this bird is
Okay.
crazy. Is this a 3-shot weapon? Nope. Okay, that's all I need to know.
Oh, that was close as fuck, Matthew.
Alright, I'm not doing good with ammo in this.
These are running low on reinforcements.
You're right here.
Spotted.
99 on one.
Watch your step.
Oh no, Sean.
I was on her face.
Okay.
Oh shit, lag.
Do not belong on a
Sean,
battlefield.
we all need to step up. He's carrying.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
not
dude.
done. Enemy spotted.
2 on Mark.
70 tag. 70 tag.
Yeah, it's a 70. Hey, we gotta get that point. How are y'all dying so fast?
Because there's 3 on me in the objective.
Got her.
Lethal out.
Good shit, Jim.
Can I keep trying to rush with an
Watch
70 tag. 70 tag, Jim. Get her. 70 tag.
drop the...
I got him.
They're out of lives.
Give me this fucking boss weapon.
Suffer and
You
break.
can't compare to me.
Enemy spotted.
45 seconds left. Keep it up.
70 tag.
Oh my god, there's 2.
Yeah, there's 2 there. They're both kind of tagged. I got 1.
They're pushing back.
30 seconds left. Hang in there. I'm bleeding out.
One here. Last one.
Yeah.
She's half health.
She's camping the box.
No thanks.
Eliminated.
20. Oh, we're not even done, dude. How are you in
Nope.
first? I have more.
I have no
I
idea.
have more elims, more downs, more assists.
It's that one revive, dude. Didn't you know a revive counts as like 15 downs?
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
That's
Bugs, I
insane.
can't play with
Come on,
mouse and
bro.
keyboard. I suck. I suck.
I'm not playing mouse and keyboard.
There you
Oh,
are.
I'm
I'm
just,
the one playing Anvil.
I'm just talking to one of my friends.
Oh, dude, I hit a lot of shots that last round.
Hey, you
Almost
got
that.
4. You got 4. You're improving like exponentially.
Yeah, 50%. No, wait.
Went f-
200%.
Yeah. There you go.
Lethal out.
Yep.
Watch your step.
Oh my god.
Lethal out.
Oh my god.
Suffer and break. I'm not Enemy done. Spotted.
They got res. They're pushing.
I'm so retarded.
Okay.
Down
Yeah, Bugs, I had to lower my bit rate to 5,000 instead. Hey, we gotta make sure that we
Yeah.
down these guys because of Dahlia revive.
Long enough.
Yeah,
Lethal out.
this Lancer's on. Fucking Christ saint.
Suffer and break.
Lancer's left.
Down one back.
Yeah, they have 2 revives, so always try to make sure you confirm it if you can. If you can't, just call it out.
Running. Hurt.
One's mid. Yeah, freaking revive.
Not yet.
70 tag on buy.
And break.
If it not.
Damn, she's getting up again, bro.
It's fine, I got her.
I got the Saint in the back.
She's about to peek. Got her.
She's down, she's probably getting rezzed.
I'm rushing.
Hey, don't push up too fast. Don't push up too far. Yeah, rezzing.
70 tag.
Get me up.
Just got their whole fucking
Nice,
team.
dude.
Fuck with me.
You have much to
Enemies
You're probably
are
gonna die.
out of reinforcements.
You're gonna cover! Anvil cover! Oh, it didn't matter. It didn't matter, it was a nade.
Matthew.
I know.
suffer and break.
I'm pushing this,
I'm not
Anvil.
used to
Cover me.
playing as
45
Never mind. They're watching corners. We got point. We just got point.
Yeah, they're watching corners forward.
Am I lagging? Or was that just bad aim? I'm pushing this.
She ran right.
Okay.
Like that.
Watch
She's
your
in
step.
here. Jump in the wall now. She's going around back.
I'm down.
Dude, let me kill her. Oh,
Eliminated.
come on
You
now.
have much.
Do you think
How you still get first? What is this mess?
I bet
Dude,
only thing I
all I
can
know-
think of. I did more damage than you, I bet.
Look at how
That's
many
all
limbs
think.
I have, okay, before you say I did bad. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, that's great. More damage. What are you talking about? More damage. What is this mess? bugs. How do I get second? More damage, my ass.
There it is, baby.
More damage, my ass.
I don't know what it is.
Alright. Let's go.
That's the first thing he says when he hops in.
Oh man.
More damage my fucking ass.
That's over 5K.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. Alright, let's wreck whoever the fuck we play.
You said get wrecked, kids.
Not with that Phantom gameplay, I don't know.
Hey, shut up. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. I will kick you. I'm not party leader. Never mind.
Yeah, we're not kicking him for making fun of you, Sean.
Oh, we got 2 PlayStation nerds. I gotcha. I'm playing with an Xbox controller.
Are you on PC? Though?
Yeah, I'm on PC right now. I'm just using my Xbox controller.
Xbox?
What?
Did
Why
you
is
say
that, bro?
Xbox?
Yeah.
Kick him right now. Kick him.
Kick me.
Kick him now.
Kick me. Go ahead.
can't-
He's on PC.
Bro, you can't play on PC with the PlayStation 4 controller. Yeah,
You're
I'm
on
Xbox.
crack.
No, I'm not.
Oh
I'm pretty
my
sure it's on
God.
Xbox.
Yes, you can. Oh, you mean you don't think you can?
I don't think you can.
You can. How do
Yeah.
you think Nick Merckx plays,
They
bro?
both have
Okay,
Bluetooth
sorry.
compatibility.
Sorry. Fuck. I'm sorry. God damn it.
I just never know. I stopped playing PlayStation after the second one.
Dude, I'll be Phantom on this map, Sean. Do not take it.
It's nothing really different about PlayStation and them, but you guys still hear me? Oh yeah, you can. Usually in
Yeah,
game
I
you
can
can't
hear
hear.
No, not in this screen.
It's weird.
I don't think I can only hear you. I don't think they can hear us.
No, well,
What's
we're
up,
just special.
Yeah, we are. Those PC bros, bro. We got it right.
That's probably what it is.
Oh yeah, it probably is. Can I hear it now?
How can you play with mouse keyboard? I mean, I'm just not used to it.
I wasn't used to it. I just got my PC. Like, no, Sean, you fuck. Why did you take me?
Oh.
I would have popped off.
You want to
Okay,
play
okay.
Vi or Scorch?
You were wrecking with Vi.
It's just point control. I just like controlling the point mainly and choke
Yeah.
points.
Let's make this quick.
Can they still not hear us?
Oh, they got a mask thing.
No,
they
I can hear you.
us now.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, we were talking shit behind your back because we
Totally.
talk to each other in loading screen. Mad shit.
Fucking dicks.
Man, I remember one time when I was in high school, we had this Black Ops 3 tournament, and it was on PlayStation. I was like, God, this is going to suck. I got all the way to the final round with no losses, and a kid who already lost one, who had these thumbsticks that you just add on to your controller, he beat me twice because he was better than me, so you had to warm up. I was like, man, that PlayStation, though, that was the difference.
Okay.
Those
Strikeouts.
thumbsticks are nasty.
Safety's off.
When I was into Fortnite, I used those shits. And
Man, fuck Fortnite. The hell with that game.
Yeah, I know. Trust me, trust me, I know.
If we don't win this point, we're not going to win the game. I'm just telling you now.
We're winning point.
Well,
I'm
midpoint is
sucking.
troublesome. I expect to lose mid, but not this point. Because trust me, if they start controlling this point first, something's wrong.
Suffer and break.
Lethal
Well, I
out.
went midpoint, so
They all win zipline, looks like.
Oh, yep, there it is. Oh, I'm down.
Take it back.
I'm down.
Enemy spotted.
Nice, Chalk. Down him. Down him, Chalk, down him.
Good call.
oh god. Scorch here, Good. Saint right there, Saint behind you. Myers.
I got him. I got Saint.
Ooh, give me this lovely Scorch weapon. Oh, no, I want this sniper rifle.
Yeah, pop off, brother.
Oh,
Yeah, I saw you hit
I'm
a 70
whiffing!
tag on him.
I'm whiffing! Oh, we got one on...
I saved you.
The enemies have 5
here,
reinforcements
Sean.
remaining.
She's
Oh my god,
so
I have to
hurt.
reload.
Got her.
Oh my god, I'm
Nice.
This
reloading.
is mine.
Oh my god, I missed.
Sean,
Sean.
can't fucking
70 tag.
miss.
I got two over here, I think. Oh my
Down one.
god, who just
They're
sniped
resing.
her?
I hear.
That was
Me.
beautiful.
They're out of
Getting
reinforcements.
better.
How are they already
I am
down?
You
Where are they
gotta
at?
overtime. Get to the
I
objective.
think they're in
I'm
their
popping
spawn.
off, bro.
I'm camping where they come. Going around
Dude,
left.
I suck with the sniper. I don't know. I'm sucking with the sniper.
45 seconds left. Keep it up.
I'm down. Watch your step.
Good snipe. Thank you so much. You saved my life.
Oh my god, I just died to the OP
Not
new
much
chicks
longer.
thing.
Oh shit. I went Scorch versus Skirt. Scorch got me.
We only have 5
Hello.
remaining.
Scorch right here.
I was about to say, dude, if I just down that person, they suck. Literally one health. On point. There's 2 on point right now. Scorch. Yeah, those 2.
Yeah, that's the last 2. They're the last 2.
Dude, I hate versing Scorch with Vi because my fire grenade don't work.
Yeah.
I still know where they are. Though.
Oh my god.
Lethal out. I'm down.
Scorch is the only one left. He's hurt.
Hold on, I'm jumping the nose go.
I
Okay.
got her.
Damn it.
Okay. I didn't do shit that round.
Alright, all I'm saying, look at my thing. That's all I'm gonna say, dude. Look at it. Look at it now. Before it goes away.
All right, Bugs.
Impressive.
Appreciate it, man.
You outscored yourself this round, and
Very
Shut
well.
up. Shut up right now.
I just upgraded my weapon twice.
Atta boy.
Alright.
I'm gonna be late to the party.
B is always fun.
They got a well-rounded team. They really do.
Yeah, they're
They
pretty
have a
good.
max Saint.
I like
Yeah,
playing
this
Saint.
Saint's kinda-
I don't have Dahlia, so I have to make do with what I got.
Lethal out.
They 2 went
Get me up.
right or
Watch
hard
your
right.
step.
after you.
I'm rezzing.
Can I get you? Can I get you?
You have much to learn.
Cover me. Scorch right there. Scorch is right there. Scorch is right there.
I see her. I see her.
Why you not push?
Because she was.
2 here, 2 here, 2 here. 2 on my mark.
I didn't know she had to be on you.
2 on my mark.
Get me up.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
I'm a bullet sponge.
Res. I'll cover.
This way.
Oh, one shot.
Go here.
Saint getting a revive up us, maybe?
Is that all you can
Yep.
do?
I'm okay.
No way. I rolled. One there.
Watch her flank. Watch her flank. Oh, up the middle. Oh shit, I'm dead. There's 2. There's 2 on stairs.
I can't fucking hit her!
Oh shit, sniper behind, and their spawn.
Enemy
What?
spotted.
The enemies have 5 reinforcements remaining.
Res me. Never mind.
Oh, I was gonna get you.
They're kind of hurt.
Kind of hurt.
I'm rushing.
Okay, I was about to throw a fire right where you are. Yep, that's why.
Lethal out.
Oh my god, she killed me with her like rocket things. Those things are kind of OP.
Behind in our spot.
Are you kidding me? One shot.
Got 2. I forgot how to melee. How do you melee?
For me, it's right on the
She
D-pad.
just blazed.
Dude, oh my god. This new bitch's gun is so good.
Oh, it's amazing.
No!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ah, tomahawk. Dude, we
45
Phantom,
seconds.
cover me.
This one's ours.
Watch your step.
the last one is right there. And
Where?
she's
Fuck 'em up.
Where?
ain't nowhere now. She's in hell, probably.
Yeah, die for my fire teammates. Yep. Oh, damn it.
She's got this bitch has an adrenaline shot, so I can't die. It heals me.
Wait, who has an adrenaline shot?
Me.
This-
The
Fun.
hot new bitch.
The new chick.
Adrenaline shot.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's like gives her like 4 seconds of healing.
Her
What?
gun's soft.
So like if I put it on 100%, I can run through fire and not take any damage.
That's crazy. That's good to know. Oh, wait. So you got two going right. Oh, watch for the big flanks. Sniper, you gotta watch these flanks.
I got
You
it.
just stole my zipline. You just kicked me off of it. I'm point man.
Suffer
man.
and lethal out.
I just grenaded myself. Don't talk
Nice.
about
Got
it.
it, baby.
Comms.
Oh, man. Flank, on our flank.
No, I've got
Two on our flank. You do
got
not
one on
have
our
our flank.
I got one on our flank. We're at the zipline flank.
They're rezzing right here, rezzing. Nope, not rezzing. She just kind of dipped.
Vengeance is
Got him.
mine.
Let's see if Saint heals her. Oh no.
Enemy spotted.
No way.
Lethal out.
Yes, fuck her up, please.
Suffer and break.
Oh my god, I got railed.
Got her.
Thank you, Sean. Come get me.
No!
Come get me.
Scorch! Scorch is point. Scorch is on point.
Alright.
Oh, we got 2 on point. I heard 1.
Lethal out.
Oh,
Not
oh,
done.
oh.
She's hurt,
Oh.
she's hurt, like half.
Oh, oh, she's rushing, 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 rushing!
Enemy go here.
I'm rushing her.
Enemy spotted.
She's right here! Thank you. Res me! Oh, damn it! As long as we win, I don't care. We gotta 3-0 these people. Oh, I'm gonna go mid.
Lethal out.
Yep, Matthew right there.
Yeah, she
No! Scorch's weapon's so dumb! She's one shot mid. She's one shot mid. Oh, there's another person going mid. I heard him. I'm not even top frag.
Lethal out.
Getting a revive.
Out of life.
Oh my god, dude, there's 2 mid. There's 2 mid.
Not done.
1 on point. Literally 2 on mark. 2 on Fallon. One more.
Alright, it's Saint somewhere.
45 seconds remaining.
Suffer and break.
Yep, on me. Down here.
All hostiles
Nice,
eliminated.
dude. 3-0.
Beautifully done.
Let's go.